Managing a geographically dispersed team can be tricky. To effectively manage them, you're going to have to give special consideration to your team members' time zones, schedules, and local holidays. Thankfully, there are some useful tactics to help you handle the challenge. A good starting point is to find ways to keep track of all your virtual team members' schedules and time zones. One way to do this, allowing at-a-glance viewing, is to draw up a schedule or calendar of all team members' activities. You can place time zone clocks on your wall. Don't forget to also keep track of daylight savings time if some members live in regions that use it. Keeping track of others' time zones might seem simple, but it is actually one of the trickiest aspects of managing communication with your team. However, by remaining mindful of others' time zones and schedules, you'll not only be able to communicate with team members at appropriate local times, but also show understanding of and sensitivity to their circumstances. This awareness mitigates the frustration when sending an email at 9 p.m. their time and not receiving an immediate response. A useful practice is keeping a calendar that indicates everyone's schedules, including your own, so you can easily see what's going on and when your schedules overlap. Decide on a baseline time zone for your projects, for example, the zone with the most team members, which becomes the home time zone. All virtual team member schedules are then considered relative to the project's home time zone. And be mindful of public and religious holidays in the countries or regions where your virtual team members reside. This will prevent you from calling meetings on unsuitable days, which can make you seem inconsiderate. Working with team members in multiple time zones means that sometimes you'll have to compromise your meeting schedule. Make it a priority to first review your team members' time zones and their input before deciding on the best time to meet. It can be hard to find times that are ideal for all team members, so compromise is sometimes necessary. This could mean taking turns having meetings at the most convenient time for members in different time zones. Decide together, if possible, how to include and handle members whose time zones fall outside of the business hours of their teammates. Obviously, work hours will be staggered when teammates work in multiple time zones. Make the time difference work for you by organizing tasks to flow from person to person when possible to capitalize on the longer overall workday. But beware, running tasks across time zones will need coordination, so build some extra time into the schedule to detail the process. Keeping time zones in mind and creating conditions where everyone can work smarter can actually be a hidden benefit of dispersed teams.